Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 and I'm gonna show you how to download additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the HUAWEI Health application. And once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the HUAWEI Health application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's tap on the icon to open the app. In the app, you should see the health page. Now tap on devices icon and here select your HUAWEI Watch Fit 4 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll down and look for the watch faces category. It's possible you're missing this category and it could be because of the service region. Basically, when you install the HUAWEI Health application for the first time, you were asked to select the service region, and I believe that's just my theory, basically, that some of the regions don't support some features. And if you're missing watch faces option, I recommend you to try to reinstall the HUAWEI Health application and select different region, and hopefully that will solve your problem. For example, I'm using United Kingdom and it's working fine. And once you see the watch faces, tap on more to open the watch face store. And here you have different watch faces and categories. And you can browse this page to look for something you like. I'm gonna open the category for the free watch faces. And here I'm gonna scroll through through the list rather, and look for something I want to install. And let's say you find something you are interested in. You can tap on it. Here you have description and also recommendations. And once you decide to install the watch face, tap on install and it will start downloading, installing, and after it's done, it will be applied on your watch. Like this. And you can install multiple watch faces if you want to. And after you're done installing the watch faces and you want to check the list of the watch faces you installed on your watch, go to the main page of store, tap on mine right here at the top, tap on my faces, and then tap on manage local watch faces, and it will open the list of watch faces installed on your watch. And you can change between them, so you can tap on one and tap on apply or set as default, or you can customize that list. Oh my bad, let's go back. You can basically remove the watch faces from the list also, from your watch basically. So if you tap on my faces and you want to remove the watch face, you simply tap on the X on it, or rather, yeah, on it, like this, tap on OK, and the watch face will be removed from your watch. Okay, and that's how you install or download additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.